friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic on this Wednesday. We have some free drinks over at Walgreens, some penny food over at the Dollar General, and some 90% off. Look at that coloring book for 13 cents. Wow. If you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up or possibly hype the video, that would be so awesome. Couple pieces of info for you. Fetchtopia is over, meaning some of those deals we were getting back major points from Fetch, it's done. Also, if you have been in store and doing the spend 45 to earn back 15, that's got a really quick 24-hour expiry date on that register reward. Spend it quickly. I've had many times cashiers smile in my face if it expired by one day and say, we can't use it. So just really pay attention to these register rewards. That, it's just not an anchor for your wallet, as they would say. Also this morning, a bunch of boosters came in for next week. A 10 back when you spend 25 on Walgreens brand. That one excites me. 15 back when you spend 45 on P&G Dental. A 15 back when you spend 45 on Olay Skincare. And a 5 back on anything. These are always a year mileage may vary. Only one of my accounts got this one. I only have 2 accounts. But this one is the Cadillac of all of them. So go and load them right away and come back to the video. First deal we're going to talk about is doing this curbside, meaning you're doing this stuff through the Walgreens app, driving to the store and picking it up. We're throwing 5 of these BODYARMOR Flash IV electrolyte beverages. If you ever get a really bad cold or flu, sometimes this is the only thing that will sustain you. Using the code WAG10, we're saving an additional $1.12 off, so that's a little something. For the balance, $11.25 for the 5, WAG10 taking $1.12 off. $10.13, use $10 in Walgreens cash plus 13 cents or pay that. And then if you scoot over to your IBOTTA, we have $2 back for each drink. So it'll make the whole lot 13 cents basically free in my book. You can do this up to 5 times. Please ask the cashier to process this through a regular register so you can get a physical paper receipt for IBOTTA. That is an absolute must. Alternatively, if you wish to do the deal in store, you know where they sell all the Gatorade and all that stuff? That's where you're going to find it in store. So just look for it in that aisle. It will not be with the cooler. That is a common where you're like, I can't find any of this in my store and your deals are trash. This is where you're going to find it, guys. So gosh, I hope you guys brought your sense of humor to this video today. Over on IBOTTA, we have $2 back with a limit of up to 5 times. Double, triple check that you have it. And if your store does not print out receipts for curbside, do it in store, obviously. 5 of these is $11.25. You got your receipt. Photograph it to IBOTTA for $10 back, making it $1.25 for 5 or a quarter per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But what a deal for some cheap BODYARMOR Flash IV. It's kind of like a Gatorade, that sort of a drink. Okay, these summer essential kits. If you're a prepper, you like this sort of stuff, 90% off at $2.49. Grab one. You never know when you might need it. Even there's acetaminophen in there. I had a friggin' tooth go through a root canal I think it was 2 days before Christmas. I had to get drilled for a root canal. Yeah, that was a really nice Christmas gift. And so the acetaminophen I needed to control the pain, and I was in a mad dash going through my entire stockpile. So sometimes it's the one item that you need. And yeah, I would definitely grab one of these, even for $2 of Walgreens cash, pay 49 cents and call it smart. If you're really into all the spooky and cute Halloween stuff, my prediction is that on Saturday, November the 1st, a lot of this will be going 50% off. It's probably going to go 70 or 80 the following week because they want this out of the store so they'll have room for Christmas, and everybody loves Christmas. But if this is your thing, Saturday I would try and root around the store. The next deal that I think you should be doing this week is on the Colgate to grab 2 of these for $8. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. Sorry guys, I can't show you that coupon because I already used it. You're going to pay $5, get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Pay down the balance to earn that $4 register reward. Final deal ends on Saturday, November the 1st. It is with the Summers Eve that when you buy 2, you get back a $5 store register reward. Grabbing 2 of these on a buy one get one 50% off, and it has to be that pink box. It is the cheapest item in the line. It's $4.48. You're going to get back a $5 store register reward. Treat it like Walgreens cash. Free plus a 51-cent moneymaker. It is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay if you're doing the deal with no booster, but what a little deal. The next store that we're at is at the Dollar General. Okay, so first thing we're going to talk about is the Sherman single roll toilet paper. There was a digital coupon, and this is a $1 item, making it free. That digital coupon is no longer attaching, meaning this is a dead deal. It is over. So don't even try. Apologies if you got in on this deal earlier in the week. That's a free roll of toilet paper, but the majority of us, it's over. The next thing we're going to talk about is the penny items that showed up yesterday. Before I start talking about what I found, I want to give a big special thank you to Christie's Connections and her team for curating the list, and a friend of the channel as well, along with another friend of the channel, the Geeky Banana Saves. She always makes sure that I'm like on top of things on Tuesday morning. Just a really good friend. And she's like, get your ass to the store. So I was like, noted. So I did find a lot of stuff. And it's funny because a lot of the stuff she was wanting to find, I found, and vice versa. So it's somewhat funny. It's always really nice too to have somebody to like talk with when you're penny shopping. And she is just a really great person. But thank you to Christy and the Geeky Banana Saves. Go and subscribe to both of their YouTube channels. Both fantastic ladies. I'm going to be honest with you guys. Even though it looks like this table is so big and full, half of it's pennies and half of it's 90% merchandise. And most of the 90 stuff hopefully will be a penny next week. But I kind of struggled with this list. A couple stores I found big, and then a lot of it was really empty. And you guys know I'm always like, I live super rural. A lot of stores starting to bag up all of this stuff. And I'm assuming this is either going back to head office or it's taking a one-way trip to the dumpster. I think number 2 that I just said. But like, yeah, I was surprised at some stores. I think they just need the room for Christmas and they're like, get this stuff out. Okay, so let's look at all the penny stuff and we're just going to go through it one by one. The first are the Pampers Splashers in size 4 or size 2 and 3. They're just like a swim diaper. There's also a Dollar General one too, but I could not find that anywhere. These were also really hard to find. And I'm going to show you the UPC. If it's bringing up 0.00 for you in the app at the register, it should be a penny. And it's going to say that like low in stock or none in stock in the app. You actually have to go to the store and look for this stuff. The next item, really delighted. I found many bags of this. It's the Iams Puppy Large Breed. There's the UPC in the left-hand corner. And just to show you, to give you eyes on what I'm talking about, that 0.00, you know, oh, I found a penny item. Another dog treat that I found in the clearance aisle are these Good and Fun. It's like some sort of like dog treat. I have a neighbor with a couple dogs, so I usually make Christmas baskets, so that's going to go in there. These I'm really excited for. A lot of my barn cats are fed up with the food that I have, so this is something new for them. And also I found a bunch of these only at one store. You're looking for the one that says tender turkey entree, not pate. And they look identical. Where is the expiry dates on these crackers? They feel like they're from like 2020. They're like old. And my husband tried one. He's like, it's fine, but it's a bit stale. But do you guys know where that expiry date is? Because the packaging even looks old. And yeah, look at this. So I just, my husband tried it and he's like, I don't know about that. 3 cups of coffee this morning, guys, so I apologize. I'm so flippin' goofy, but it sometimes happens. But here are the 2 different UPCs. If you know where the expiry date is, let me know. The next group of items, you're going to have to go right in front of the store where they have this convenience rack with all the candies and look for the following items, because that's specifically where your girl found all of her stuff. And apology if this is way too high energy this morning. I'm usually pretty monotone, but today I'm extra. So the M&M's cold brew, these seem delicious. I found about 12 of these, so I was really happy. Usually I find double, so that's why I'm kind of like, I wish I would have found more. I found about 8 of these Pecan Delights, and they expire, I think, end of December, so I'm definitely going to throw those into a Christmas basket. The Rip Rolls, I found about 12 of these in one store. Perfect for stockings because it's a smaller candy. The Beef Jerky Teriyaki and an original. Both of these expired, but they were sold to me because it's some sort of preserved meat. I think we have like 6 months out because it's 100-calorie type 2 diabetic here. Perfect to throw in my purse when I'm doing my stupidity couponing for hours. And then I only found a couple of these Airheads. And if you look at the side, I think it expires this month. So definitely going to give those to some trick-or-treaters. This, it's called Raise. It is that drink. It's like an energy drink. I didn't find any other energy drink other than this one. And look at the expiry date. And I didn't see that till I came home. It expired last July. Ooh. And then now we're going to talk about 90% off stuff, including these Crayola. It's some sort of like anniversary thing. 13 cents for this coloring book, along with the crayons. Aunt Rach likes to make a lot of stockings, so I'm definitely stocking up on these. And we also have some swim stuff. I only got a couple of these, and they were $2 each, so not a bad price point, from $20 to $2. And one for the doggos. Sorry, I don't have a UPC for this one. It was completely out of focus. Some of my amazing skills. So a lot of these Club 92 candles, 80 cents. A little harder to find in store, but if you can find them, buy them because it's a really great deal. And these smaller ones for 50 cents. It's very similar to Bath and Body Works. So there it is. And I have a theory, guys. Next Tuesday, will some of this stuff go back to full price, or do you think it's going to penny out? I'm just curious if you could let me know what you think. Very similar to Vanilla Bean Noel. This one, it's called Very Vanilla Cupcake. And then Lemon Citrus, very similar to Kitchen Lemon by Bath & Body Works. And I'm a big Bath & Body Works girly, so I think I have a pretty good nose for it. The last item is some of this decorative duct tape for 47 cents. So if you can track it down, by all means, look for it. A very good price point. And I'm just going to give you guys a peek of my absolutely gorgeous receipt. One of them, I went to maybe 4 or 5 stores yesterday, and I think I found just under 100 pennies. The last couple weeks have been really heavy on food. There's more penny shoppers out there. I think next week is going to be really fantastic for penny shopping. So we'll just have to wait and see how it plays out, and very grateful for what I found. And also, before I take off, I was in like several stores. They have Christmas and holiday scents, Palmolives and Fabulosos. With the dollar digital, that Palmolive is $1.75, and that Fabuloso Holiday, which is a berry scent, it's $4. All of this stuff, because I love Christmas. I just think it's really, really exciting. Will it quarter out in January? I don't know. It's probably not going to be left. This one is called Apple Orchard. Absolutely amazing. With the dollar digital, again, it's I think $1.95 or $1.75. Here are the 2 different UPCs for the Fabuloso and the Palmolive. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.